Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me today, I would love if you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. In today's video, we're going to be making some super easy and inexpensive bedroom decor. One of the things that I struggle with a lot in this house is that there's not a lot of natural lighting, so things tend to seem a little bit dark in here or with like yellow tones. One of the things that I've done to try to brighten things up is to have lighter colored bedding. I also have some light colored curtains. I used to have the blackout ones, but again, I hate feeling like I'm in a dungeon in this room. So I also made some really nice decorations for my DIY bench just to spruce things up a little bit and brighten it up a little bit more. One of the big things that I'm doing right now to declutter this bedroom is also decluttering my closet. That way all the clothes that ends up in this space doesn't take up space in the closet any longer. I do want to thank Poshmark for helping me out with this video. If you have stuff that you can give away that's really not worth much, you can just take it to Goodwill. Otherwise, I would highly recommend posting it on Poshmark and making a little extra money here and there. And you guys know with these videos, they do take a lot of time, effort, and moolah. I don't have bottomless pockets to pull money out of, so if I can make money here and there, it's super helpful. So I do want to invite you guys to download the Poshmark app. I will link them below, and then I will also link my Poshmark closet that you guys can shop if you feel so inclined. And if you do, I really appreciate the support and the help because it does help me continue this. I know this introduction was a little bit long, so let's get on to the DIYs. This DIY is going to be really easy. I have 2 Dollar Tree hand towels, and then I also have some of these super soft microfiber cloth. I have 2 of them as well, and I'll be using some chevron burlap ribbon. You guys are welcome to use any pillow form. You can use a pillow stuffing. I'm going to use these old throw pillows that I've had. If you have a sewing machine, I would definitely use a sewing machine. That way you guys can actually take these off and wash them. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can hand sew them the old-fashioned way. For the sake of the video and the time that I have available, I'm just going to use some hot glue, which I don't really like the idea of, but that's what we're going to do.
Moving slow, all the days that passed had nowhere to go. I watched them slip away as far as I can see. I let them roll astray. It did not bother me. The sun is shining through every window pane. It's bathing you in light, so why should I complain? If there should ever be.
This one we're just going to use a clear plastic. It doesn't have to be clear. They do have the different colors of these plastic vases at Dollar Tree. Also some of this vinyl liner. This one has sort of a stone texture to it and a stone look. So we're going to go with that one. And then also some greenery. Whatever you guys decide to choose. I have a lot of leftover stuff from Joann's, so that's what I'm going to use. You will need a little bit of foam.
And you are here with me. A house upon the hill, and a little apple tree. The sun is shining through every window pane. It's bathing you in light, so why should I complain? If there should ever be a storm or a pouring rain, wait and look out through the window pane where the sun will shine.
For this one, we're going to be using a kitty litter box, some paint, probably acrylic paint, and then I will also spray paint it with one of my metallic paints. I do have some Dollar Tree nautical rope.
I've been through changes heart.
I'm going to take the tip of my hot glue gun. If you do not have one of these wood burning tools, you can use that. I'm going to make 2 holes on the handles.
Right. This feels so right. This world gets easier with reason and rhyme, and it feels so right. Yeah, I've been through changes all of my life. All of my life. Been under the weather, on the edge of the night. On the edge of the night.
Okay, so for this one, you're gonna need just one of these plain white buckets from Dollar Tree. Also a hand towel and some burlap ribbon. I just wanted to show you some articles of clothing that I took out of my closet, and honestly, the majority of the stuff that I have here are literally brand new items or things that I've worn maybe once or twice, and it's not that there's anything wrong with it, it's just something that doesn't fit my needs or it doesn't fit my body just the way that I want it to, and I feel like somebody else will definitely benefit from it a lot better than I will. It's definitely not doing me any favors just by sitting in the closet, so this is why I decided to start my Poshmark closet, and I started my closet about a year ago. Only recently did I get really into posting stuff, and so if you guys have clothing in your closet that you really don't wear anymore, that's just been sitting there, you know what? Post it on Poshmark, make a little extra money, you know, whether it's to save up for a trip or to buy yourself more new clothes. Whatever you decide to do, make sure you guys check out the link that I'm going to post below. Feel free to browse around and shop my closet. I have a little bit of everything, mostly women's stuff, but I do have some men's stuff, and then also we'll be posting a lot of kids stuff, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Guys, so that is it for today's DIY. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments down below. Don't forget to download the Poshmark app and shop my closet and make a closet of your own. If you have beautiful clothes that no longer suit your needs, somebody else can benefit from them. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.